National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois until 10 a.m. At 9:26 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Monticello to near Foreston, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Pearl City, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, German Valley, Winslow, Rock City, Wyandotte, Buena Vista, Rock Grove, Oneco, Orangeville, Leroy, Damascus, McConnell, Scioto Mills, Wenatchee, and Stephenson County Fairgrounds. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A tornado warning remains in effect until 9:45 a.m. for northeastern Stephenson County. At 9:25 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Rock Grove, or 10 miles